Hey, it's Tashira. Today I'm getting ready for a girls' night out. I'm going to start by priming my face with Benefit's The Professional Primer. This is just going to give me a really smooth base and get my skin all ready for that smooth application of foundation. For my foundation, I'm using Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation. I'm just using a little bit and I'm going to mix in some color correcting drops from the Body Shop just to make it a tad bit darker and give a little bit of tint to my skin because I'm really quite light and I haven't been getting a lot of sun or vitamin D. And I'm just going to tap that on into the skin with my brush. I'm going to make sure to get all around my jawline, all around those edges to get it blended seamlessly. Now I'm going to add a little depth and dimension back to the skin. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation stick for my contour. And I'm just also going to pat that on into the skin. I don't want to drag and rub. I just want to pat it in to get it all blended. And yes, I am blending. I want it to show up, but I also want it to be, not too strong. Now I also want to brighten up my under eye area, so I'm going to be using e.l.f.'s Camo Concealer for this. This is a very thick concealer, but very good. It blends very well. And you can't let it sit too long. You do have to kind of go in kind of quickly, maybe let it sit for like 5 seconds and then start blending, or else it's not going to come out right. To set my under eye area, I'm just using some Laura Mercier translucent powder on a slightly damp beauty blender sponge and just dusting off any excess with a powder brush just to get everything smooth and blended and get my foundation set. And I'm setting my contour with the Black Radiance contour powder. This is the deep palette. This is the one in the middle. Sorry I didn't show you guys. And for my blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place blush palette number 2, and I'm just using this light pink, like rosy type color, just blending that on in. And I also decided to go ahead and contour my nose. I'm using that same Black Radiance contour powder color. For my highlight, I'm using Becca's Prosecco Pop, my absolute fave. And now it is time for my brows. I'm not going to do the whole thing on camera because it takes a while, but I'm using Ardell's Brow Pomade. I love this stuff. And yes, I'm going to do concealer brows, so I'm just going to put a few dots of concealer and then kind of blend it on in to get that edge of the brow looking just beautiful. Perfection. And since crisp, fresh brows is the look that I'm going for, I am going to put a little bit of concealer underneath just to clean it up a bit. And also along that tail just to get it nice and sharp. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pop on my lashes. These are some lashes from Shein. Girl, I do not know which ones. If you want to see a more in-depth tutorial of my makeup, let me know. And I can show you like everything. This is cute. Yeah, but I already let the glue dry and everything get tacky. Now we need just a little bit of shadow, babe. So I'm going to take this color here. This is going to be for my crease line. I'm just going to use that for my transition shade, even though I'm not putting on that many colors. And then this gold shade here, I'm going to pop that onto the lid and also a little bit in my inner corner. And then I'm dusting a very light shade at the top. And also I'm going to deepen up the crease with a darker color. Again, if you want an in-depth tutorial, let me know. And finally, it's time to spray with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Mist. And I can't go out looking like Felicia, so it's time to take down my braids. Sadly, these braids, this braid out is not dry. I knew that before I took it down. I knew that when I even started it, but we're gonna work with it, So this is what we're gonna do. We are going to actually put this up in an updo. So I need this big old elastic band here. I'm gonna put it up into a bun. So I'm just gonna gather everything at the top and start twisting on the ends And then I'm going to insert bobby pins. And yeah, that's how that's going to go. Just keep inserting bobby pins until all the hair is intact. And then this front portion, I left it out because we're going to do something cute, girl. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just tucking it in the back. You can also use a bobby pin, whatever you want. She is cute. Elegante. And let me hurry up because y'all, I'm running late. Yeah, I can't figure out how to put this red dress on. So this is what I decided to wear here. Just this cute set from Fashion Nova, girl. I'll insert some pictures when I actually go out to dinner so you can actually see. But let me put on my earrings. Girl, I do not remember where these are from, but I will look for them and drop the link for you. Lippy combo, I'm using NYX Nutmeg Lip Liner. And then I'm going to use this NYX Lingerie nude lipstick. Y'all, I don't know what color this is. I cannot find it. And pop, 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 blim, blim, blim. She cute. Ooh. And since I want to smell good all night long, I'm going to use some petroleum jelly. I'm just going to rub it on my neck, girl, and also on my wrist and inner elbows. And then I'm going to apply my fragrance. I'm just using YSL's Libre Eau de Parfum.
Girlfriends, end of 2022.
This is true.
For a beautiful 2023.
Yeah!
More love, yet more prosperity, more travel.
Yes!
Going for our dreams, taking big leaps.
Y'all, I'm tired. I know I look it, and I ripped my lashes off, so don't be wondering why I look kind of, you know, bald by the eyelashes, because I took my lashes off. But y'all, dinner was great. It was awesome. We had a lot of good girl talk. A couple of us went out to a lounge afterwards. It was very interesting, very artsy. But y'all, I am tired. It's like 1 in the morning, so I'm about to go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I love that you're watching. Thank you so much, and keep watching for more interesting vlogs from me to Shira. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.